Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 8A, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. Which, as an example, I'm gonna just do the folder right here. So once it's open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. You'll get this animation, and you have a couple of things you can do. So you have share to go up and scrollable to go down. Now, if you're wondering what is a scrollable, if you are on a page that can actually be scrolled down, for instance like settings can, as you can see, and you capture this, scroll it down, it will start scrolling it down till it reaches the end. Now you can stop it anywhere in the middle of it, and once it's done, once you tap on it to stop it, or once it reaches its end, it's gonna get saved. So from here we can go to our photo gallery, and you can see both of them right in here. So there's the scrollable screenshot, as you can see by the size of it. Normally it would be full screen, so something along those lines. And then the second one right here. And that is how you would capture screenshots on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.